Hey everyone, so today I want to teach you about how to set goals and reach them. So your first step is that you're going to use the template in the bio and you're going to write down 25 things that you want to accomplish. Don't worry about sounding unrealistic or trying to make the perfect goal. Just get those 25 things down because they're going to form the basis for the 5 things that you focus on. So in this example, I've written down my 25 things. And my next step is that I am going to choose one of them to move to my priority goal tracking. So I'm going to move it up to this row where it says I will have accomplished this goal when. And I originally said read more books, and I'm going to change that to read 12 books because it's specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time orientated, as you can see, because I'm adding the by when date. So I'm going to read 12 books by the end of 2020. And then I'm also going to write down one thing that I can work on today to move towards that goal. So my action step would be reading 30 minutes before bed. And in the row below that, you'll see it says links to spreadsheet or tools. So what I did here is I created a document that I can link back to this goal spreadsheet where I can track the books I've read. So you're keeping everything in one place, quick access. You're going to repeat this process with the other 4 spaces in this priority goal tracking sheet. And you're going to follow this template in terms of making them specific, measurable, actionable, and realistic and time orientated. So that's why the sheet has the by when date column. So I'm going to run through this real quick. You can pause and look at any of these goals if you want an example of a very specific and measurable goal. And then the next step is once you take that one 30-minute or less step towards the goal, you're going to rotate the goal over. And you're going to continue this process so that you don't over-focus on one goal and avoid the ones that are difficult. This process is going to reveal to you what you're having a challenge focusing on and what's easy for you. And it's going to make your goal setting more effective. After you do that and you've completed one of your goals, you're going to want to reorder your backup goals so that you have something you're looking forward to move into one of those priority goal tracking areas. So in this example, I completed a goal. I did my 10 pull-ups without taking a break. So I'm going to copy and paste it over into my completed goals section. I'm going to write down the tool or skill I use so I can be in tune with what helps me get my goals accomplished. And then I'm going to move my top goal into the priority goal tracking sheet. All right, I said get out of debt, but I'm going to be really specific and say pay off X amount of debt and by a certain date. And I'm going to make it a long-term goal. It's going to be a 2-year goal. And then I'm going to use a budget to identify how much money I'm saving after all my expenses each month. And there's a link to that in the resources page of sonomasavers.com if you want to use the budget template that I use. And this sheet is just meant to help you track and manage your progress towards these goals. So you can make a copy of that and use it. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about how to use this sheet and track your goals, or you need someone to brainstorm with or help make really specific and measurable goals, just reach out through the website or through the Instagram. And I hope you have a wonderful day. All right.